Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the difference between using component features versus using mates. In this assembly, I've got a total of 21 components. Let's expand the mates folder. Scroll down. As you can see, I've got quite a few mates as well. Let's go to the Evaluate tab. Assembly Expert. Here we see the stats laid out clearly. 41 mates are evaluated, 21 parts. Let's close the Assembly Expert. Now let's Shift-select all of these components, right-click and delete them. Yes to confirm the delete. Now we've only got the base and the seed feature. There's only 3 mates in the Mates folder. Let's go to the Assembly tab. Activate the Linear Component pattern. First, we select the component to pattern. In Direction 1, I'm going to use this edge, and for Direction 2, this edge. Let's reverse the direction. There we go. For Direction 1, the number of instances will be 5. The distance, 42 millimeters. And for Direction 2, the distance will be 60 millimeters, with a number of instances set at 2. Let's click Accept. Now let's use the Mirror Component tool to place the pads on the opposite side of the plate. First, we need to add a reference plane. Insert, Reference Geometry, and Plane. Let's select the first face and the second face, and click OK. Plane 1 is pre-selected. Let's activate the Mirror Components tool. Under Components to Mirror, I'm going to select Pattern 1 and the Seed feature. Next, and OK. And now we've got the same results, but the Feature Manager design tree looks a lot cleaner, with only 3 mates and a much shorter rebuild time for this assembly. The assembly is fully defined, and this concludes our lesson about working with mates versus component features.